Right there, when you go to the 6, we're gonna throw a quick chord in there. We're gonna throw this E. Alright, E7 flat 9. Alright, what I'm doing, I'm playing E on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing an A flat diminished 7 chord. A flat, B, D, and F. Alright, so we got 1, 5. Alright, here we go. To get to my 6. Alright, so they can use that E7 flat 9. Again, E on the left hand. Alright, right hand, I'm playing A flat diminished 7. A flat, B, D, and F. Alright, that's gonna take me to my 6th chord. Alright, I'm in C, so we got 1, 5, here we go, to my 6. Alright, so I hope that helped. Just wanted to share that with you real quick. Alright, thanks for watching.